Welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through complement of an event. Don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press on your subscribe button. At this point, we have over 300 videos for you to play with. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Just you want to reach us, you can drop a comment below, or you make use of this number. Now you can do three things with this line. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. That is just what we have for you. Now, in this video, I'll be walking you through complement of an event. The outline of this video are definition of complement, example on complement, and combined event. These are the things that we'll be walking through on this video. By the end of this video, you will understand all this outline. You will understand it. Now, let me start. Okay, now let me start. By now, you should know what is called complement. Back to normal way, when it comes to sets. I think you have done that in sets. If you don't know this in sets, you can go and check on it under sets. Now, when we talk about complement, okay, a set of all sample points in the sample space that are not included in the events. In an event. An event is known as the complement. Of an event, which is, let me use A to denote that. A now is denoted by A prime or A C. Now, the same way what you know in your set, the same thing you put it here. When you hear complement, it means that thing. Okay, in terms of probability, a set of all sample points in the sample space that are not included in an event known as the what? Complement of an what? Of an event A is noted by what? This is how you write this and this. The same way of a set. Now, that implies probability of A plus probability of A complement equals to 1. That is very, very important. It means my probability of A complement will be equals to 1 minus probability of what? Of A. Take note of that. Now, simply means that this is that the probability of an event A occurring plus the probability that an event A not occurring is equal to 1. That is just the meaning. Now, with what we are having, okay, that is all you need to know about that event. Now, note this very important information before I finish this part. Note this very important information. Now, note this very important information. Note the following: complement of events. Now, the first thing you need to note is at least a tail is the complement of a tail is a complement a tail is a complementary event. A tail is a complementary event of less than a tail. And also note this also: event greater than 6 is complement of an at most 6. That is very, very important. Now, these are the things I want you to understand at this point. Very, very important. Now, let me quickly show one or two examples on this complement of an event. Okay. Now, look at this example. For example, now look at this question. For example, look at this question. Find the probability that at least a tail will appear when posed when two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. Now, you are looking for the probability that what a tail will appear when two coins are tossed. Now, solution to this problem. How do I solve it? Now, what I need to know is that I need to know the question lets us to know that remember that complement. Now, just note that remember the complement will be less than a tail. Note that, which is no tail. That is, now let A be the occurrence of no tail. Then A complement will be the occurrence of at least one tail will appear. Now, what we need to understand that now, we have P of A plus P of A prime equals to 1, which I've done that. The prime of this will be equals to 1 minus that of probability. Now, that is very, very important. Now, let me quickly generate my sample space. My sample space will be my sample space will be equals to edge, comma, edge, tail, comma, tail, edge, comma, tail, tail. That is the occurrence. Now, of no tail. Now, we have only one no tail. I think you can see probability of no tail. Now, probability of no tail is only this one. Is this only that one? It means 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. That is the probability of no tail. Because this one has one tail, Now, we are talking about a probability of having two. What is the probability that at least one tail will appear when two? That is probability of no tail. Now, when two tails are that. Now, once you are having a probability of at least one tail. Now, probability of at least one tail will be equals to. Now, we all know that probability of no tail. Probability of no tail is this, which is probability of P. Probability of tail is this, 1 all over 4. Of no tail, which I deduct by having P of will be equals to 1 minus that of the probability of 4, which I have 3 all over 4. That is probability of no tail, which is known as the complement. That is 3 all over 4. That is all you need to understand. It means no tail will be what? At least, that is 1 all over 4. At least, now, that is 1 all over 4. That is all you need to understand that. Now, before I end this section, let me quickly explain what is called combined event. Now, when we talk about combined event, combined event are formed by combining several sample events. For example, e.g. the probability of either event A or event B will occur is probability of A or B, or we can call it probability of A union B. That is what you need to understand. Now, that is what is called combined. When you talk about combined event, it means we're talking about what? Union of a two, union of a two set, which I have all, and I've told you that all means addition where we are to operate. Now, okay, before we, the probability that event A and B will occur is probability of A and probability of B, or A intersection B. That is what. Now, the first one is probability that either event A or event B will occur is always this. Now is this. Now, why probability that the event will occur, which is they are going to occur together, is what? Intersection. Take note of that. I won't do much here. In our next video, I'll be explaining mutually exclusive events. Please make sure you stay with us. Don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Once again, thanks for watching.